Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology educational content creator. Now's content for class 11, CBSE, ICSE, all boards and also NEET aspirant students. Unit 2, Structural Organization in Plants and Animals. Chapter 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Today I will discuss about the flower modification. Flower modifications for insect pollination. It is an entomophilous flower, so to attract insects like bees, butterflies and moths, flowers undergo dramatic structure changes. First changes is petaloid bracts. In plants like bougainvillea, the actual flowers are small and inconspicuous. The large, brightly colored petals you see are actually modified leaves called bracts that attract pollinators. Next is corona, a circular, often show outgrowth between the petals and stamens. It adds visual appeal and sometimes holds nectar. Next, nectar guides and spurs. Petals may form a pouch or pocket called a spur to store nectar deep inside, forcing insects to brush against reproductive organs to reach it. Next, symmetry of flowers. This is an aesthetics and functional modification. First is actinomorphic. This is a radial symmetry. The flower can be divided into two equal radial halves in any radial plane passing through the center. Significance: attracts pollinators from all directions. Example: mustard, dhatura, chili, etc. Next, zygomorphic or bilateral symmetry. The flower can be divided into two similar halves only in one particular vertical plane. Significance: highly modified for specific insects pollinator. Example: bees. Next, examples: bee, gulmohar, bean, cassia. Next, asymmetric or irregular modification. It cannot be divided into two similar halves by any vertical plane passing through the center. Example: canna. Next, modification of calyx or sepals. While sepals are typically green and leaf-like, they modify drastically for protection or seed dispersal. First is pappus. The calyx is modified into hairy, feathery or balloon-like structures. This acts as a parakeet to help in anemochory. Example: family Asteraceae. Example: sunflower, marigold, etc. Next, spurred calyx. One or more sepals draw out into a tube-like structure called a spur, which usually stores nectar. Example: larkspur and balsam. Next is persistent and spinous. The calyx stays attached even after fruit formation and turns into sharp spines for protection. Example: trapa. Next, petaloid calyx. Sepals becomes brightly colored like petals to attract pollinators when petals are absent or inconspicuous. Example: Mirabilis jalapa and clematis. Now the topic has ended. For all video of class 11 and NEET, please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook account Madhurima Datta.